Hey, this is Josh Ellsworth with Stahls, and in this video, I want to show you how to easily calculate your cost for custom CAD-CUT heat transfers. These heat transfers are awesome because there are so many different options of heat transfer vinyl out there, and we've made it very easy for you to get these ready to apply heat transfers without having to do any cutting and weeding at all. So this is our custom CAD-CUT price grid. I'm going to scroll down for you, and you can see that we've segmented our heat transfer vinyl choices into three different buckets. So if you were using our go-to material like UltraWeed, you'll be in this first pricing tier, which is our basic pricing tier. If you're using a special effect material like Glitterflake, you'll fall in this middle pricing tier, along with all these other special effect finishes. And if you're using one of our high-end reflective materials like 3M, it'll be in this premium pricing tier. But all of the tiers work the same. And so let's show you a logo to be able to show you how to come up with your price very quickly and easily with this price grid. So the sample logo that we're working with today is this cheese and relish logo for a photography company. And this is a two-color design, as you see here. The width of this design for the t-shirt that we want to decorate is going to be 8 inches wide. When we size the height proportionally, it is going to be 4.58 inches tall. So the first thing you want to do is calculate the total number of square inches in your design. To do that, you need to take the width, multiply it by the height to get your total square inches. So in this case, 8 inches multiplied by 4.58 inches equals 36.64 square inches. With that square inch calculation in mind, we can navigate back to the price grid to come up with our price. So 36.64 square inches falls over 35 square inches, but not over 40 square inches, which means I'm going to round up because I've exceeded the 35 square inch price break, and I'm going to be at the 40 square inch size on the left-hand column. So with 40 square inches in mind, then I'll be able to travel across my price grid to get my price for the different materials at the different increments. Let's say, for instance, we were doing this design in UltraWeed. The price for 50 pieces, which is across the top in each grid, would be $2.82. Now, keep in mind, that's for a single color design. So if you're doing a one color design, it's very quick, very easy to calculate. Now, as you add additional colors, you start to add additional cost. So if we just scroll down to the bottom of our price grid here, we can see that we're easily able to add a color 2 or a color 3 to the design for a flat rate. So in this particular case, for the 36.64 square inch design, we're going to be at 40 square inches. At 50 pieces, it would be $2.82. But because we're adding a second color, color 2 down here at the bottom would be an additional $2 at that square inch increment, making a total cost of $4.82 if I had a multicolor UltraWeed design for this particular job. Again, very quick, very easy to do. Now, just to look at that artwork one more time, I'm going to pull it back up on the screen, and let's pretend as if we wanted to create this same design, but now in Glitterflake. Just to make sure you understand, I want to walk you through that pricing process one more time. So same two color design, same size dimensions, but in Glitterflake. On our price grid, we'll look for Glitterflake on our selection, which is in this middle tier. I'll go down to that 40 square inch mark again. And let's say this time we're only doing 10 pieces. CAD-CUT Custom is very cost effective, even at 5 or 10 pieces. So my base cost at 10 pieces would be $3.99. Again, that would be for a single color design. If I want to do a multicolor design, I add the additional $2 at that middle tier price break, and that gives me my total cost of $5.99. So hopefully you're understanding. It's very easy and very quick to get to a pricing with this price grid in hand. The benefit of that is you'll quickly be able to calculate whether it makes more sense for you to cut it yourself if you have a vinyl cutter, or order it out and let us do the work for you. These come to you in separate pieces with CAD-CUT Custom ready to heat apply. Make sure you follow our training videos for tips about heat application and how to upload your artwork to get started.